Hey there, it's Matt from Style Factory here. In this Squarespace review, I'm going to show you the key things that you need to know about this popular website builder. I'll take you through 5 really great things about the platform and 5 things you should really watch out for. So stay tuned to find out if Squarespace is the right website building platform for you. Let's start things off with a look at the good things about Squarespace. 1. The Squarespace templates are gorgeous. Squarespace templates look beautiful and can help you achieve professional results really quickly. And thanks to their responsive, mobile-friendly design, websites and online stores created using Squarespace look great, not just on desktop computers, but on tablets and smartphones too. 2. Squarespace is really user-friendly. With Squarespace, you don't need to install any software to build a website. Everything is done online in your web browser. Even if you hate computers or feel anxious about creating your own website, you won't face much of a learning curve with Squarespace. You simply click on something you'd like to change and use the controls provided to edit text, images, colors, or fonts. 3. You can sell online really easily with Squarespace. Squarespace comes with built-in e-commerce features that let you sell not just physical products, but digital products, subscriptions, and site memberships too. As with the Squarespace interface in general, the learning curve here is not steep, and you can get going with e-commerce really quickly using the platform. 4. Squarespace comes with great tools for marketing your business. Squarespace not only provides you with a way to build a website or online store, but thanks to bundled video making and email marketing tools, lets you market your business easily too. Squarespace's Video Studio app is included for free with all plans, and its email marketing add-on is priced very competitively. 5. Squarespace is great for content sites. Squarespace comes with blogging tools, galleries, and magazine-style layouts that make the platform a particularly strong choice for anyone working in a creative industry. Okay, so that's the 5 things we really like about Squarespace. But what about the not-so-good stuff? I'm going to come on to that in just a moment, but before I do, it'd be great if you could just take a quick moment to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notifications bell. This means you can access more great e-commerce content from Style Factory easily. Right, let's take a look at the 5 disadvantages of using Squarespace you need to watch out for. 1. Squarespace sites could load a bit faster. Squarespace sites don't load quite as fast as those built with competing platforms. This means that in very competitive niches, owners of Squarespace websites may be at a slight disadvantage when it comes to SEO. That said, Squarespace is aware of this problem and are working on a solution. 2. The e-commerce features are basic. Squarespace's e-commerce features, whilst easy to use, are pretty basic. You can only sell in one currency at a time. The only point of sale hardware you can use is a card reader. And Squarespace doesn't let you accept payment via Google Pay. 3. There are no autosave or version history features. Unlike some competing platforms, Squarespace doesn't autosave your content or keep a history of previous versions of it. This means you can occasionally lose work if your computer crashes or your internet connection goes down, and you can't roll back to previous versions of your website easily. 4. There aren't many Squarespace apps available. If you want to add more functionality to your Squarespace site or connect it to other platforms, you may be a bit disappointed. There are only about 30 apps and integrations available for Squarespace in its extension store, which is much less than you'll find from many competing website builders. 5. There's no phone support. If you have a problem with Squarespace and want to speak to a human being about it in person, you're out of luck. You'll have to make do with live chat or email support. So that's it. The 5 great things and the 5 not so great things about Squarespace. There are a lot more pros and cons to discover, so do check out the full Squarespace review on the Style Factory website. You'll find the details for this below. The best way to find out if Squarespace is for you, of course, is to try it out. You can get a 14-day free trial by following the link underneath this video. And finally, if you have any questions about Squarespace, do leave a comment below. We try to answer all of them.